Come on in. This is an update on the remodel project that I just want to show you guys. We actually had a buyer come in the middle of it. So something's got changed, but it's changed quite a bit. So I want to show you guys what we ended up doing. These floors turned out so good. And the kitchen right here. We ended up doing a white quartz in here. I love this backsplash. It kind of shows some imperfections, which I think makes it look really, really pretty. Alright, coming down the hall, we have the floors refinished. But here's kind of the tile the client picked out, kind of fun. But we're able to get a much bigger vanity in here. All right, going downstairs, we made quite a bit of change. So we actually added this full kitchen so that they can rent out this space. Added this as a office space. If I was like, maybe even 6 months pregnant, I would not fit in there. Still fit. Okay, that was rough. This is bigger.
It is really roomy once you get in there.
Yeah, it actually is not bad. Okay, I can fit. Okay, that makes me happy.